Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And what midweek looked like a positive week has suddenly turned negative on Friday as all three major indexes are in negative territory, losing over 1% on the day. This is all really based on growing economic concerns both in Europe and the United States. And we'll start with the S&P 500 as we do on a Friday with a weekly chart. Currently down on the day about 47 points. Trading at 2,810.41, and on the week down 0.4% with a chart analysis score of plus 75, indicating that overall we are still in a long-term uptrend, but it is coming under some recent weakness as we end the week. Key level to watch remains 2,722.27. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. US dollar did issue a red weekly trade triangle this week at 96.03, changing the chart analysis score to plus 55, indicating that we are currently in a sidelines position for the US dollar. Currently trading at 96.62, up a little over 0.1% on the week overall. Key level to watch would be 97.63. A move above that level would issue a new green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. Dow Jones currently down over 400 points on the day, trading at 25,574.41 with a chart analysis score negative 100, indicating that we are in a strong downtrend for the Dow. And currently down a little over 1% on the week. And our key level to watch would be 26,155.98. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. NASDAQ currently relatively unchanged on the week. It was up in early trading, but has since slid into negative territory with a chart analysis score of plus 75, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for the NASDAQ. Key level to watch remains 7,332.92. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the NASDAQ. Crude oil losing about 0.4% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term uptrend for crude oil, but recent weakness has given a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. And our key level to watch will be 60.19, indicating a move back to a short-term long position for crude oil. Take a look at gold, up about 0.8% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 65, so we still have a mixed picture or sidelines mode. Currently trading at 1,312.80, and our key level to watch would be 1,306.50. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term down position for gold. We'll wrap it up with Bitcoin actually having its first 3-week gains since April of last year, which is pretty impressive. However, the chart analysis score is still negative 55, so as we are in a sidelines position for Bitcoin. And our key level to watch remains 3,670. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term short position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Hope you have a great weekend. I'll be back next week with some market updates.